Hello. Say hi, mister. No? Okay. So today we are going to be cleaning my house. It's really not that bad today. I'm really proud of myself for that. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna be doing the things that I try to do every day in order to keep my house from becoming overwhelming. And sometimes it does become overwhelming, but lately, as of late, it has not been very hard to get it back into shape. Yeah, I started in my bedroom and I have 2 loads of clothes that I need to put up, and I just wanted to make my bed. I've been trying to get into the habit of making my bed more. Even if my room is a mess, it makes me feel like my room is a lot cleaner. So I started with my bed, and what I like to do every day is I like to do 3 things. Well, it's really 4 things if you include make my bed, but I don't include that. But I do that every day. So what I do like to do is I like to unload the dishwasher and load the dishes into the dishwasher, so dishes. And then I like to do a floor check, which is, I call a floor check just going around the whole house and just picking up anything off of the floor, because I feel like the floors are what makes your house look clean. I used to think the dishes was what made the house like clean. Like if you had a clean kitchen, the rest of your house, it didn't matter how it looked, but definitely the floors. So I probably should have put that first, because I really do like to start with the floors, because it's just the easiest thing and the funnest thing for me to do. So I like to just go through and make sure there's nothing on the floor. I don't worry about the countertops or anything. Occasionally, if I just see something quick, I'll go through and do that. And I'll clear off the countertop. But other than that, just floors, and then laundry. So I try to do 1 load of laundry a day. Today I have 2 loads that I need to actually put up. It's actually 3 loads. Yeah. So yeah, guess I'm gonna be catching up on laundry, but yeah, that's not bad. It's nowhere near what it was last week. So I'm definitely on the right path. It was actually just 2 loads. So I just put away towels, and now I got this to do. So you should know that I don't fold my clothes at all. The only thing I roll are towels in this house. Towels and blankets. Everything else either gets thrown into a basket or a drawer, or it gets hung up. And I can show you that if you would like. Alright, so this is my closet. I share my closet with my kids. My husband has his own closet in our bedroom. This is the closet that's in our bathroom. So yeah, I share my closet with my kids, all three of them, because they all share a room, and their closet is super duper, how do you say it? It's really small for 3 kids. It's very difficult to fit 3 kids' stuff in there. It's like really, anyway, I share my closet with my kids. It needs a major declutter. As you can see, stuff is starting to overflow, but I have 3 boys. I share my closet with them. I keep my clothes that I hang up on this side, and everything else, like my shirts and tights and pants even, I put those in I just put those in my drawer, in my dresser. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of clothes. At least I don't have a lot of clothes that I hang up. I just hang up my dresses, my jackets, and my jeans. And then I have all of my kids' sweaters and jerseys and stuff right there. Here is where I keep all the rest of my kids' clothes. The first row is my oldest son's clothes. I keep underwear and swim clothes in this whole row is what that's for. And then this row is for shirts, short sleeve shirts, and I have long sleeve shirts and like dress shirts in this one. And then over here, I have shorts. Then I have pants. And then here's pajamas. And as you can see, my middle child's pajamas are really, 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 really overflowing. Like, I really need to go through and declutter because there's a lot of stuff that they don't even wear. Yeah, but this works for me. It makes laundry tolerable for me. Sometimes I even have my kids put away their own clothes and they know where to find their stuff very easily. So yeah, and they're 5 and 4. And even my 1-year-old can sometimes go and grab his stuff. He knows what row is his. All right, so this is our living room. It is a hot mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. So this is their room. They're gonna clean their own room. The only thing that I'm gonna get out of here is that pile of blankets so I can wash them. And then I will vacuum in here later. Got toothbrush holder on the floor. Toys on the floor. There's always an abundance of toys on the floor. My kitchen has stuff all over the counters that I need to clear off. I already did the dishes because there's not much to do there. Let me show you guys. So I have this bin. I usually keep it right here, but my garbage disposal isn't working right now. I can't find the key to unlock or to clear out the garbage disposal. But yeah. I usually keep this little tub right here in order to keep dishes from piling up in my sink. I need to clean that out, but that's nasty. But I usually, keep a tub right there, and that's where I put the dirty dishes that need to be washed. And there's already dirty dishes in here. I just need to put those in. But yeah. I like having my sink clean. I've gotten to the point where I hate putting dishes in my sink because it just makes it look messy. And for some reason, when I just keep it inside a bucket, it looks so much neater. So yeah, definitely try that. All right, everyone, that was my little morning cleaning routine, I guess you can call it. It usually doesn't take me more than an hour, than 1 to 2 hours. And then I'm able to start my day without worrying about having to clean all day long. I cannot clean all day long. I refuse. So, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.